Hey, Zach, say hi.
Hi. Jesus.
You gonna show me your snow angel and your snowman? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that your snow angel?
Happy teeth, boss.
Be careful. It's beautiful. Where's your snowman? You said you're building one. Do you remember where you left him? Or did you smush him?
Smush him.
Aww.
I thought you did build him. I'm build a giant snowman way up there.
You are?
Yes.
Okay, show me.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa.